Good morning, Dr. Palermo with this week's Motivational Monday. This week I'm talking about mitochondria. And if you don't know what mitochondria are, they are the powerhouses of our cells. They are organelles, or basically little organs within the cell that are responsible for making ATP. ATP is energy, so our mitochondria take food and oxygen and turn it into ATP, or energy that is used in thousands of biochemical processes throughout the body. So mitochondria are pretty important. So if you have fatigue or brain fog or aren't quite getting muscle where you want it to be, you might be even more interested in ways to improve your mitochondria. So we know that mitochondria age and then get replaced by new mitochondria, but there's different systems that have to be present to optimize this. Scientists have found that there are certain genes which have been termed the longevity genes, which can directly influence how our mitochondria work and how our mitochondria are replaced. Also, these genes can influence how old mitochondria are removed through a process called mitophagy, which is similar to autophagy that we do when we remove old damaged cells. And it can be replaced by new mitochondria. So things that help these genes work more readily are the same things we sort of tout all the time. A diet that is whole foods, removed of sugars and processing. Also, intermittent fasting. This, just like autophagy, can aid in mitochondrial repair and replacement. Something called hormesis. And hormesis you may not have heard of, but those are little bouts of energy that help to improve mitochondrial functioning, but also increase the mitochondrial growth of new mitochondria. So hormesis is like doing short bursts of energy, like HIIT exercise or intermittent fasting or jumping in a cold pool. These things are quick stressors that do stimulate new mitochondrial growth. Also sleep, which is important for everything, so definitely want to work on this. There are some supplements for mitochondria as well, but you want to focus on the foundational things because these are the most important in optimizing your mitochondria. That's all for this week. Have a great week.